I wanted to share with you an example of how these strategies have been implemented and have driven real-life success for one of our event creators. Kate Levenstein, pictured here, is the brains and CEO behind Cannonball Productions. They do super engaging and fun food and beverage events across the country. Most notable among their events is their Bacon and Beer Classic series. So using Eventbrite's on-sale strategy advice, the Cannonball team focused on ramping up pre-launch marketing initiatives for their 4th annual Bacon and Beer Classic in Chicago. When they launched, they emailed their list closer to the event and at a time that attendees were most likely to buy based on Eventbrite data. The immediate impact that Cannonball saw was that 150 more tickets were sold on launch day in 2018 versus 2017. There's a snippet from Kate here, but I'll read the full quote for you all because it's one of my favorite strategic success stories. Kate said, "For our 4th annual Bacon and Beer Classic at Soldier Field in Chicago, Eventbrite recommended that we send the launch email at peak purchase times, offer special incentives and secret unlocks to past attendees, and focus on list health year-round to make sure our launch email was reaching an engaged audience. Using this advice, we focused on ramping up our pre-launch marketing initiatives like never before. We ran re-engagement campaigns to win back emails on our mailing list and drastically ramped up our paid and organic email collection campaigns leading up to launch. When we launched, we hit our list a little closer to the event than we did a previous year and at a time they were most likely to buy based on Eventbrite data. As a result, we saw 150 more tickets sold on launch day in 2018 versus 2017. For 2019, we decided to do an insider unlock for 2018 attendees and had 155 past attendees tickets before launch day. This was our strongest yet by a long shot. I can't emphasize how much mapping out our big picture on-sale timeline has helped us keep markets engaged year-round to result in a more power-packed launch.